All right, to solve this equation, I can see that this is actually quadratic in form because I can say y equals x to the fourth. That means y squared equals x to the eighth. And this becomes y squared minus 17y plus 16 equals 0. And using the AC method, you can find that this thing factors down into x minus 16, sorry, y minus 16 and y minus 1 equals 0. Well, that means we have two equations, y minus 16 equals 0, and then y minus 1 equals 0. However, we didn't start with y, we start with x. So I can use this thing and go back. So I get x to the 4 and x to the 4 here. Now, both of these are fourth roots, so we expect each of these equations to have 4 answers, and in total, 8 answers. So I can see that this is a difference of two squares. This is going to be x squared squared and 4 squared. So this factors down into x squared minus 4, x squared plus 4. And this one, similarly, this is x squared squared and then 1 squared. So this is going to be x squared minus 1, x squared plus 1. And this is, again, a difference of two squares. This is going to be x minus 2, x plus 2, x squared plus 4. This one's going to be x minus 1, x plus 1, x squared plus 1. Okay, so we can see, of course, this one gives us x equal to 2. This one gives us x equal to negative 2. This one is x equal to 1. This one is x equal to negative 1. But what about these? Well, x squared plus 4 equals 0. Subtract 4. X squared equals negative 4. Take a square root, plus or minus, and now I can see I get, I can take a negative out as an I, and then the square root of 4 is 2. So I get plus or minus 2i. Here I have x squared plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1. X squared equals negative 1. Take a square root, plus or minus. The square root of negative 1 is I. So I get plus or minus I. So I actually have 8 solutions total, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2i, and plus or minus I.